What's up, guys? We are here with the Aristo today, and today we're going to be trying to fix the passenger side door. The car actually thinks the passenger side door is open when it is in fact closed. So the door light is on in the dash, and it basically just drains the battery if I leave it for too long. I already replaced the door, I guess, ECU. Moment of truth. Is still on.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
And this problem's still there. And then now I bought one of these door latch things for the passenger side. So I'm gonna be trying to place it, and then hopefully that fixes the issue.
Ob das gerade bei euch genauso ist? I doubt it.
Let's get started. This is the actual kind of door latch for the passenger side, and then this is just a fail-safe just in case this doesn't work. So this is kind of like a battery switch slash kill switch for the battery.
Dumb bitch.
So you just kind of like, whenever you're not driving it, you just unlatch the connection, and it should kill the power to the battery, so it won't drain my batteries anymore. So I just installed this. It's pretty idiot proof. Just pop it on the negative terminal, and then put the other lead cable, which was here, you put it onto here, and then yeah, that's it. I was going to use this and then wait until that came in, but they basically came in the same day. So I actually bought insurance on this car yesterday, so that kind of forced me to fix it and get it back on the road as soon as possible. Okay, so undo this power or cable right here, and then two of these little ball joint things that's handles the door handle. I'll grab the replacement one. This looks super dirty compared to the one that was in my car, but if it works, it works. Now it's all connected. I'm gonna put the power on and see what happens. So power's on. Moment of truth. Nope. So after I plugged it in and it ended up not working yesterday, this is my old one that was in the car. I kind of just took off some pieces and then put it on the new one. More specifically, the actuator. So this is the door lock actuator from the old one, and then two of these cables from mine. I replaced it on the newish slash old one. Let's get started popping it back in the car. Okay, put it all together, or half put it all together in case I need to take it apart again. I'm gonna connect the battery and then see what happens. Moment of truth.
Take it easy, buddy.
Yep, another 2 to 3 hours of my life wasted. Also another video where absolutely nothing got accomplished. But at least the battery kill switch works, so I'll probably be driving the Aristo to the gym tomorrow morning. And yeah, I can just cut it off the power whenever I get out. It's just going to be more annoying. But yeah, hopefully a part out for GS300 or an Aristo shows up on Facebook or Craigslist or something. I can grab just the whole door, and then hopefully that will fix it. But yeah, till then, see you guys next time.
Sash.